Hello students, this is me Saurabh Awasthi, English faculty of Mount Litera G School Jhansi, and today we are going to discuss the second part of the story, Should Wizard Hit Mommy, where in our previous video we discussed about Roger Skunk, who was very sad just because of his bad smell. So due to which he went to the old wise owl so that he can get help from him. So finally now we are going to start from here the next part. So let's begin. When Roger Skunk reached to the owl, so the owl said to him that go through the dark woods under the apple trees into the swamp over the creek. So here that skunk, he asked, what's a creek? So over the creek and there will be the wizard's house. Finally he told him about the wizard, the one who was going to help him at last by changing his smell from bad smell to a nice one. So here, now, Jack rapped on the windowsill and under the covers, Joe's tall figure clenched in an infantile thrill, and then a tiny little old man came out with a long white beard and a pointed blue hat and said, what is this? And what do you want? You smell awful. The wizard's voice was one of Jack's own favorite effects. So here, Roger, again he became very sad and he started crying now in front of wizard. So he did it by scrunching up his face and somehow winning through his eyes, which felt for the interval rheumy, he felt being an old man suited him. I know it, Roger Skunk said, and all the little animals run away from me. The enormous wise owl said, you could help me. That's why I have come to you now and I want your help. So, Wizard started thinking about it. Well, maybe. Come on in. Don't get too close. Now inside, Joe. There were all these magic things, all jumbled together in a big dusty heap, because the wizard did not have any cleaning lady. Why? Because he was a wizard and a very old man. So here, that wizard was living all alone and was having no one to help him in cleaning the house. So this shows somewhere that this wizard was different from others and want to be away from others. So now, after this, Jo asked to her father that whether the wizard will die in this story. So here, that father, he answered that no, it is not going to die. So now what happened, later on wizard started searching his magical wand so that he can change the smell of that Roger Skunk. He asked to Roger that which smell you like most and it should be converted in which smell. So Roger, he just answered after thinking a lot. He said for roses. And now finally his smell was going to be changed from the bad one to the smell of roses by wizard. And Joe also became happy after listening to this from her father in the story, because now she was knowing that now Roger Skunk will get friends in the jungle and now he will no more be alone in the jungle. Okay. And after this, wizard, he started spelling something like Roger Skunk, how do you do? Roses, boses, full an ear. Roger Skunk, you never fear. Bingo. And like this, that means he stopped over there, and finally the smell of that Roger Skunk was changed. And this all was just being done by Jack by expressing his views in such a startling manner. And there was a sudden happiness. A happiness came for the Roger Skunk now. And now finally the wizard's house was full of the smell of roses. Why? Because now the smell of that skunk was changed. And wizard said very cranky that we 7 pennies. Daddy what? Roger Skunk. You said Roger Fish. Yes, Skunk. You said Roger Fish. Wasn't that silly? So like this, that means the things were going on, and he was demanded for 7 pennies by wizard from Roger Skunk. And now Roger Skunk became sad once again, and he started crying because he was having only 4 pennies. So now, after listening to all this, Joe, the one who was listening that story, also became sad and started crying. That means her face was changed into that expression of crying now. And now, wizard understood the situation. And what then? He felt very sad for that Roger Skunk, and he advised him to go to the jungle where you have to go to the end of the lane and turn around 3 times and look down to the magical well, and there you will find 3 pennies. So now he suggested him, go, hurry up. So Roger Skunk went to the end of the lane and turned around 3 times, and there in the magic well were 3 pennies. Now Roger Skunk became happy, and he now took that money from that 3 pennies, and now total he was having 7 pennies now with him. So he took them back to the wizard and was very happy and ran out into the woods, and all the other little animals gathered around him because he smelled so good. Joe was starting to fuss with her hands and look out of the window at the crack of day that showed under the shade. And here that means now Skunk was very happy, and now he started enjoying with the other animals who were there in the jungle. And now slowly the time was passing on. She thought that the story was all over. Here Joe was thinking like now that it was a happy ending, that means everything has been completed. But now Jack didn't like women when they took anything for granted. He liked them apprehensive, hanging on his words. Now Joe, are you listening? Yes, because this is very interesting. Roger Skunk's mommy said, what that awful smell? What? Now Joe replied like this. Why? Because she was surprised that why mother is not happy, and why she used this sentence, what's that awful smell? So, like this, when Roger Skunk reached to his home, his mommy, just after that smell, she said that, who are you? So Roger Skunk replied, it's me. Mommy, I smell like roses. And then that mother said, who made you smell like that? And Roger replied, the wizard. And again she said, well, of all the nerve, you come with me and we are going right back to that very awful wizard so that he can change your smell of roses again into a bad smell. Now, after listening to this, Jo just was shocked and she sat up, her hands dabbling in the air with genuine fright. Why? Because now she was surprised that why this mother is saying like this, and why this mother wants that the smell of that Roger skunk should be changed again into the real and the original one which he was having in the beginning. And finally, mother of that Roger skunk became very angry and she took that Roger skunk along with her and she started moving towards that wizard. So here students, we can see that now in the beginning we saw that how that Roger skunk went to that wizard and the beautiful and the wonderful smell was given to him, and the smell of roses. But now why that mother is curious now to change that smell again into back into the real one. So something that means somewhere she knows something about the Roger. That's why she said that you shall smell the way a little skunk should have. And I am going to take you right back to that wizard. So like this, that means students, here we can understand one thing, that parents know much better for the goodness of the child. That's why they have lots of experience due to which they used to guide us. So that's why we should always listen to them, because right now in the story you can just think about it, that Roger skunk is having a wonderful smell. Yes, of course. But the fact is that smell is going to attract all the wild animals also towards him. And mother was knowing this thing, that smell is only the thing which they are having, due to which these wild animals used to run away from them. So mother was just thinking about the goodness of this small creature. But here that skunk was not able to understand that why that mother is getting angry. So now students, this was the second part of the video of this lesson, should wizard hit mommy, and now we will conclude this chapter in the next video, which I am going to send you very soon. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy and stay at home. Thank you so much.